Welcome back to another video on Twig T4, reassembling the cylinder head and the rest of the engine. So the cylinder head is now on, the timing belt's on, the diesel pump belt's on, everything's torqued up that needs to be torqued up so far. Well, everything that I've put on is now torqued up. So in this episode we want to get I'm going to put the plastics on, well, the timing belt cover. I've got a diesel pump cover here as well, so we'll get both of them on. The vacuum pump with the original gasket. I'll put in a clip now of why I'm using the original gasket. So this vacuum pump with the gasket kit, how well can you see that? You see that rubber gasket? It's too bloody small, and that's what comes in the kit. Useless. So I'm just going to have to use the old one, hoping it doesn't leak. Right, so first thing I'm going to do is I need to get this flange off the manifold, this ring flange. Should be interesting. Literally, I haven't put any heat on this yet. Just use this wedge that I got, put it on the end there, and then using my hammer that I made when I was on my apprenticeship, gave it a little tap, donk donk. Well, just one little tap, and you can see it's already cracked and come away. So that will come off nice and easy now. I just need to, well, something I can't do one-handed. Let me just put you down here. Well, that was a bit of a nightmare. The phone died while I was taking it off. So I've gone and charged it up, cleaned this up with a wire brush, and then I went ahead and I fitted the timing belt cover and the diesel pump cover. Both of those covers are now on. I've just fitted the vacuum pump as well, and that's all torqued up, and that's it. And then I was like, well, not a lot I can do now because I'm waiting on two deliveries. One from, I was waiting on two deliveries, one from Brickworks and one from Just Campers. And the one that I'm waiting for from Just Campers is for the exhaust. Anyway, I was just under there doing the old vacuum pump. And the old postie arrived.
Postman Pat, and his black and white cat.
Yeah, so I've gone ahead, opened it. Well, opened it-ish. Just Campers, insurance made simple. There you go. Including delivery, £12.50. So it comes as a kit. We've got this. Well, this is like a wire mesh, this one. And this is a solid dish. Don't know if there's any difference. No idea. Comes with new exhaust clamps as well. Exhaust clamps are not our friends. Should I grease it up a bit or just tack it on? Just going to put a little bit of grease around it, a little bit of lube. There we go, just a tiny little bit oil on there. Right, that's all on there now. Well, I can now fit everything. Exhaust manifold can go on now. And then we'll get, well, it doesn't matter what we'll get, we'll just get this on. Let's go do it. Right, so that's the manifold on, all torqued up. I've just put the heat shield there in place so that I don't forget to put that on. The oil feeds, all those pipes are now being done up, fitted. The gasket as well, I put a new gasket on the oil return from the turbo. And then at the front here, all I've got left to do is this you know, apart from the pipes for the injectors down to the fuel pump, just that little connector that goes onto the alternator. I've still got to fit that. Yeah, then it's just the plastic covers, little bits and pieces, all the breather pipes. Yeah, getting there. Right, let's go get the intake manifold and let's get that on there. Right, I'm gonna call it a day here, only because I'm getting a little bit annoyed at the moment. I've just dropped my 6mm Allen key socket down the back somewhere, trying to do one in the middle intake bolts, and I just dropped it. It's gone to Narnia, mate. I'm telling you, the back of that engine bay is Narnia. You drop anything down there, it's gone. Thing is, I don't even know where it could have gone. It's got to be caught. It's somewhere on the exhaust manifold. So hopefully, if I stick, if I can't get it out now, I'm gonna have to put, when it all goes back together, put the engine under tray underneath and stick a load of magnets there and hope that it falls out and rolls onto one of the magnets. Yeah, I'm gutted about that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it here and come back out tomorrow with a fresh head. Just walk away, calm down, and come back with a fresh head. And I think I'm gonna come back and tackle the exhaust manifold brackets first thing, I think. I don't know, don't quote me on that. So thanks for watching anyway. I really do appreciate it, all your comments and your support. Thanks for watching, take care, stay safe, God bless.